If you need more content ideas for either your social media marketing content or your SEO content for Google, in this video, I want to give you a great website to help you get more content ideas. And the URL here is AnswerThePublic.com. You see, when I come here, it says discover what people are asking about. So I'll enter some random topics, let's say socks, and I'll say search. And it usually thinks for 30 seconds or a minute. And then it gives you these results. You see a lot of questions about it. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so to help you see better. But these are all the questions people ask. Like I entered the word socks, just very random example. But here are some questions. Are socks underwear? Are socks undergarments? Are socks hard to knit? Are socks recyclable? All kinds of things that people search. In this case, 146 different questions. And they even give you some search volume, although you can also verify the search volume with the Google keyword tool. Or as you can see here, they also show you results of what's popular in Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, etc. So wherever you are doing business, you can see what kind of keywords might be relevant for you. Now, obviously, not all the questions here will be relevant for what you're doing, but many will. And you can go down the list here to see more options. So there's plenty of incredible options, more than AI necessarily would give you, because if you ask ChatGPT, even if you ask it to give you 100 different examples, it will do it randomly. Here, this is based on what people are actually searching. So there's actually some demand that's known for these. And plus, you can check out the differences across all these different popular websites. So pound for pound, this is a better option than even asking AI and ChatGPT if you need content ideas.